It begins with fire. Fire has always marked the start of something greater, the spark of survival, the flame of tradition. For centuries, tallow was life. It fed families. It fueled explorers. It gave strength to nations. But then, it was forgotten, replaced with cheap oils, industrial shortcuts, and empty promises. Seed oils became the norm, bottled weakness disguised as health, and we became softer, sicker, slower. But tradition does not die. It waits, buried in fire and memory, until someone brings it back. Every detail matters. Every jar is rendered clean, hand-poured, hand-sealed, not factory-made, not mass-produced, but crafted with care. This is nostalgia. This is necessity, because strength doesn't come from shortcuts. It comes from the old ways, reborn. This is Vaca Vida Tallow. Coming soon, limited. Be the first to claim it at vacavida.com.